All right, so this is a short that we're going to do for the mental health genders. These are these sidebar conversations that don't really have enough content for an entire episode, but they're really juicy and really fun.
Have you heard?
What?
There's a phenomenon on TikTok
Yeah, always.
that gingers are black.
Gingers are not black.
Ooh, you get them. all the beautiful black mamas.
I've heard this. Okay, but this is some sort of like urban legend or joke, right? I mean, come on.
Okay, so in a nutshell,
I haven't followed this. I've heard it, but I honestly, it didn't deserve any mental space, so I just deleted. It's just like I'm not getting.
oh my gosh. So this lady comes on and she's like, hey, and maybe we can link the original. It's millions and millions and millions of views now, but she's like, y'all didn't know gingers are black. And she's like, you see a white guy with red hair and a red beard, that's a black man. If you see a white woman with red hair and freckles, that's a black woman, right? Okay, so then like overnight, all these African-American content creators were like, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And all these gingers came on and was like, oh my gosh, you guys are so nice. Thank you for welcoming us. And it was just the most beautiful 4 or 5 days of gingers telling their stories of being bullied when we were little, right? Like I was called.
Gingers don't have any souls. How can you be black?
Ooh, they're going to ream him. He's obviously not on the train, you guys. Oh, they're so mad at the white folk.
You are white.
For calling us soulless, for calling us ginger, for calling us freckle face, for calling us carrot top. Oh, you're way behind the line.
Carrot Top has made a whole career out of being a Carrot Top.
Anyways, okay. So all of these gingers have come up with tears and like, we've never felt so welcomed or loved. And the African American community's like, you're our cousins now. We're so sorry the white folk bullied you. Like, come on over to the cookout. One guy's like, come to the cookout, but you can only bring forks, silverware, and plates. Don't try to bring. And then this really, oh my gosh, this funny, like, ginger comes on. And he's like, I'm so thankful for this community. And then it pans out to all of his seasonings, hundreds of seasonings. And he's like, are you sure? And a bunch of black content creators like, oh, all right, buddy, you can cook at the cookout. We see your spice. It's been so amazing and awesome. And one guy so far has just, and we're not claiming him, okay? If you know, you know, we're not claiming him. But the amount of empowerment and unity this has caused between two different race, right? In the culture that we live in right
now. Wait, you're the same race.
Obviously, I know I'm not black, okay? Obviously. And I know that I don't experience the same thing that African American or black Americans experience, okay? And all the redheads I've heard have made that very clear. But the unity, the harmony, and the healing, and the banter, and the laughing that has come from this has been epic. Seriously epic.
Okay.
Don't disregard it, folks.
Now, this is anecdotal. This is not scientific. Okay, so here's the thing.
Yes.
When I heard this, I was like, no, this is garbage. This is somebody.
Somebody brought out the story of Enoch. Not Enoch. No, the twins. Isaiah. Not Isaiah. What am I doing? The furry redhead.
A bunch of this out.
Yeah. Okay, somebody actually brought up the biblical story of the twins in the Bible. One was, he sold his birthright to his brother. Come on. In the Bible. I'm blanking.
Esau and
Jacob. And it talks about Esau being red and furry.
Yeah.
One guy went down that rabbit hole. But there's been a lot of rabbit holes. But yes, it's anecdotal. We're not black.
Got it. Okay, so this makes way more sense now. It's just because you have a shared trauma bond that the white man's keeping you down, keeping the black people down, and keeping the gingers down. Is that? Got it. Okay.
Yes.
Now it actually makes sense. I was like, you look at the sun and you get sunburn. Like, come on.
I know. And that's when one guy came on and was like, look, we're together. We're cool. We're family. One thing y'all can't do that we can. And it's go in the sun. I mean, it's funny. It's fun. It's lighthearted.
So this
is
qualitative data, not quantitative,
yes,
is what we're saying.
Yes,
Got it. Okay.
It's been a lot.
Now it makes sense. Like I said, I didn't even have space in my brain to entertain this conversation.
You don't have, it's entertaining. Seriously. Billy's now on
And this
board.
is what I've learned. This is what I learned. I learned this weekend, you guys, and you'll see these posts coming out. People, they don't want to be educated. They want to be entertained. And so hopefully this has been very entertaining for you, because laughter is actually great for your mental health.
Yes.
And you know why?
Why?
Because it releases dopamine
Yes.
and oxytocin.
So I do know why. Yes. Anyways, cool. Well, I hope you guys get on this gingers are black phenomenon, and that the gingers don't ruin it, and that we can continue this progress towards unity.
I don't know how it's progress toward unity if you're saying that. How is it unity if it's the white man keeping you down? That's not.
We're not even
unity.
paying attention to that.
Okay, I'm just curious because it seems more divisive than unifying.
No. And 85% have been unifying. 15% has been divisive. This guy, aunties and uncles, get them. I mean, they're like on my comments. I posted all my pictures as a little girl with my. Remember the picture of the Holy Ginger Bangs Batman? I got ample proof that I was a full out ginger, and I got the African American community. 53 comments like, "Welcome home, baby. I love being your auntie." It is so cute. I'm telling you, it's so cute. Nothing discriminate. Like you're always thinking negative. It's been wonderful and beautiful, and I would suggest that you make room for that entertainment in your mind.
You've been entertaining enough. I love it. All right. Gingers are not black.
Okay.
And for the mental health janitors, we're out.